Hi there. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how Minut's subscription and payment system works, so you know exactly what to expect when managing your properties. By the end of this video, we hope you'll be confident in understanding how rental units are added, renewed, deleted, and the impact this has on your billing. To get started, head to the Plan, Billing, and Payments section of your Minut account, as shown on screen. On this page, you'll find information on your current plan, in this case a standard plan, your renewal date with estimated amount, your current total number of active rental units, any unbilled charges, the number of prepaid units that are not yet activated, and your credit balance. Let's talk about what constitutes a rental unit or property. A property, sometimes also called a home, is an individual home or living space such as a house or an apartment. For example, an apartment that a guest would rent or a residential home constitutes a property, while a multi-tenant building or hotel where each apartment or room is rented to different individuals constitutes multiple properties. Common areas, such as building entrances, hallways, shared lounges, or other shared zones in multi-tenant buildings, can also be assigned a subscription unit for monitoring purposes. You can also check your prepaid unit balance and manage it anytime from the Properties tab. Every new rental unit requires an upfront payment of 12 months in advance. Your subscription renews automatically thereafter unless you cancel at least 7 days before your renewal date. For annual plans, we'll send you a renewal reminder via email at least 3 weeks in advance. To simplify billing, all of your rental units are aligned to a single renewal date. That means when you add a property during your billing term, it doesn't follow its own separate renewal. Instead, it's aligned to your account-wide renewal date through a proration. Let's talk about how that works and head to the renewal breakdown page by clicking Open Details here. In this scenario, your account-wide renewal date is January 1st. On July 25th, you add a new rental unit to your account. Since you're on an annual plan, each rental unit includes a 12-month commitment, so you pay $120 upfront for coverage from July 25th to July 25th of the following year. So far, so good. Now, here's what happens at your January 1st, 2026 renewal. Although the new unit is only halfway through its initial 12-month term, Minut aligns all rental units to your standard renewal cycle for easier account management. That means this unit will now be brought in line with your overall subscription period, which runs January 1st to December 31st. Since you've already prepaid for 12 months but only used around 6 months by renewal time, the remaining 6 months of unused credit are automatically offset against your renewal charges. You'll see this clearly reflected on the renewal breakdown page, reducing the total due for the next subscription term. All credits accrued from any prorated rental units are combined and deducted from the total amount payable upon renewal. These are labeled as promotional credits on your invoice. Now, let's look at what happens when you delete a rental unit more than 1 year after the minimum commitment period. This is shown in the billing history at the bottom of the page. All changes to your account that impact billing are shown here. Activations, deletions, and other changes each have a corresponding note to explain the effect on your billing. In this case, given the unit was deleted after the minimum commitment period and renewal, credits have been returned. You've used about 7 out of 12 months. There are 5 unused months remaining. You therefore receive a credit of plus $52.93. That credit will be automatically applied to your next invoice. For example, when your full portfolio renews again in January. It's not refunded to your payment method, but is instead deducted from the total amount payable. Please note, deleting a rental unit within its first week will return the prepaid unit to your account. This is Minut's grace period. If you delete a rental unit during its initial 12-month term, no refund or credit is issued. Credits only apply once that first-year commitment is complete. You can add or remove rental units anytime via the Minut web or mobile app. If you have available prepaid homes, they'll be used automatically. Prepaid rental units not activated within 12 months of purchase do expire and cannot be transferred to other properties or accounts. You can switch between plans or billing cycles at any time. Upgrades are applied immediately and billed pro rata, while downgrades take effect at the end of the current subscription period. You can also cancel your subscription at any time. It will remain active until the end of the paid period, but no refunds will be issued. Any unused credit on your account will be applied to future charges, but cannot be withdrawn. That's a quick overview of how billing and subscription management works at Minut. If you need help with your specific setup, just reach out. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching. Still have questions? A full breakdown of our subscription terms can be found at the link on screen. Or drop us a line at hello@minut.com. We're always happy to help.